Greetings everyone. I know it's been a while since I made a tutorial, but this one's for business owners. So I make these little promo cards with buttons on them to give away to my customers. It helps them remember you, and people like little buttons. I love them. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to make them. And first I have this business card that I purposely printed a little circle of tie-dye on. Now I'm going to use a little bitty hole puncher to punch inside of the green that's right there, so I have enough space to put my pen. I designed my cards, but I have them printed through Vistaprint. Now my buttons, these are for this year. Support local art and music, which you should, and other local businesses. So these are 1.5 inch. I get them from Sticker Mule. You can upload your designs and tell them how many you want, and they make them really quick and get them to you. So, hope you can see that. See the holes? Well, more or less where it needs to be. None of them are perfect. But I have this very small hole punch. It makes little bitty holes. Like many years back, I had made a video on how I made my hang tags. I have since just got these little mini tags from Vistaprint. So you just take them and pop a hole in it, and there you have a hang tag without all the hassle of printing and cutting yourself. So I've upgraded to that just to save myself time. So I'm going to show you where I pop a hole in this. You line it up. Pop a hole in it. Kind of line up on the other side. Get some holes in it. They don't have to be perfect because a lot of people end up tearing them. I go ahead and open a bunch of them. When you first get these, if your design is something centered like this, then you might need to manually turn it to line up. Just a little tip. So anyway, so I just take these and put the pen through. You see it on the back. And push it through, and then push it down and hook it. Flip it over. And I designed mine so that you could still read a majority of the information. I'm going to show you one more time, just so I know that you get it. I've been waiting for the storm to pass so I could record this. Ta-da! And to stack them really good, you take one, and you take another one, and then they're together on that side. Then take it and flip it on the other side. So you have 4 buttons stuck together where they don't take as much space. And they're ready to go. So I hope that you found this little promo really useful. I actually did not come up with this idea. There used to be a woman that lived in Atlanta that I got these from, but she just up and went out of business one day, and I figured out a way to make my own. But anyway, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have an awesome day.